Hello fashion lovers and welcome to the Fashion Dance Stylista Moda. In today's day 18 class, we'll be learning the block figure of 12.5 inch. So to start with, you have to draw a line of 12.5 inch, that means 12.5 inches. The length proportions in this figure will be different from the 10.5 inch, but width proportions will be same. We'll mark it at 0 and 1 and a 1/4 inch for the face or the head. So now the length of the head would be, instead of 1 inch, 1 and a 1/4 inch. Neck would be the same of ½ inch as usual it was in 10.5 figure. So you have to mark it at 1 and a 3/4 inch. That means ½ inch down from the face. Now 1 inch down from the shoulder, it would be the bust level. That means shoulder to bust, it would be 1 inch, right? And again 1 inch from bust to waist. It was earlier 3/4, but now it would be 1 inch and 1 inch. Width proportions will be same, again I am telling you. Now again we have to come down 1 inch for the hip level. That means waist to hip it would be 1 inch. Earlier it was 1 inch itself. It would be the same. For the legs, upper leg would be 3.5 inches long. That means from hip to knee it would be 3.5 inches. That means from hip to knee, right? And from knee to ankle again it would be 3.5 inches. That means the lower leg, this is the knee level, and the rest 3/4 inch would be for the ankle to foot, right? As well as the arms are concerned, the length of straight arm will be 3.5 inch. The hand will be the same, 1/4 and half. And for bent arm, it would be 1 and a 3/4 inch and 1 and a 3/4 inch, of course. Half of the 3.5. Hand would be the same. That means the upper arm will be of 1 and a 3/4 inch and the lower arm will be 1 and a 3/4 inch, and in between it would be the elbow. The width proportions will be same as you have done in your 10.5 figure. If you have not seen the 10.5 figure proportions, see the day 1, 2, 3 and 4 videos, you will come to know, right? This is 12.5 figure. Now it's your wish, you can use the 10.5 figure or 12.5 figure. Other processes are same as usual it was. So thanks for watching this video, fashion lovers. We'll meet in the next video.